Voiceover script, how to use I Love PDF website 2026 guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the I Love PDF website on your mobile or PC to create, edit, and manage PDF files easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to I Love PDF. Once the website loads, you'll see a clean dashboard with multiple PDF tools. Step 1. Choose a tool. Here you'll find options like Merge PDF, Split PDF, Compress PDF, JPG to PDF. Select the tool based on what you want to do. Step 2. Upload your file. Tap on Select PDF File. Now upload your file from your phone storage, Google Drive, Dropbox. Step 3. Process the file. After uploading, choose your settings if needed. Then tap on the action button like Merge, Convert, Compress. The website will start processing your file. Step 4. Download the file. Once done, tap on Download. Your new PDF file will be saved to your device. Bonus tip, you can also convert images into PDF, reduce PDF size for sharing, combine multiple files into one, all directly from your browser. No app needed. And that's it. Now you know how to use I Love PDF website easily on mobile and PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want, I can also turn this into